Let's take a look at this program here. We have a variable called num. It's set equal to 10, and we want it to be this numerator to be divided by this denominator, right? So we have an expression up in the numerator, we have an expression down here in the denominator. When we have a more complicated math expression like so, what we usually do is we do a parentheses around that numerator, and we do a parentheses around the denominator. This ensures that all the calculations that we want to take place occur at the correct time. So in this case, it will do num times 3, it'll get the 30. It'll do 6 divided by 2, we'll get the 2. And then it will divide the 30 by the 2 and save it inside the variable num. Right? Let me go ahead and print out num, and I could show you how this works. Or show you that it does work, right? So 30 divided by 2 is 15, and it prints that out onto the screen. So when you're putting together more complicated expressions and you want to ensure that certain calculations happen at certain times, right? Then we would put parentheses to ensure priority, right? So this is going to prioritize this calculation happening first, then this calculation happening next, and then the division happening after those two have been calculated. Right? So that's key and very important in order to calculate the roots of a quadratic expression or quadratic equation.